Hey friends, hey, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'll be sharing with you a few little updates that I did around the house, getting ready for the summer. School has just let out where I live, and so that kind of indicates that summer is on its way in. So I wanted to change out this wall over here with the mirror and the lamp. I've had that mirror up there for a while, and it doesn't really reflect anything but the entrance from the garage. So I wanted to change that out by adding a piece of artwork. Now I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this beautiful piece of art on sale, or rather on clearance, for I believe it was about $18 and something. And I thought that that was perfect. I thought that that was a great price for that piece of art. It's a nice size. It fits that wall nicely. And so also I wanted to change out the lamp. Not really change it out, but I wanted to kind of update it a little bit. I've noticed that lately I've been going for a more black and white theme with touches of green. I do love some green. And so I just decided that I was going to DIY the base of that lamp. As I did in the past, I decided to change it out to a charcoal gray color. I used Rust-Oleum charcoal gray, a chalk paint, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. But this shade has been sitting up there collecting dust for some time, and so I said, let me give that a good wipe down while I'm doing everything else. It's starting to come together. I really like that. Once I darken up that lamp base, it's going to really bring the colors together a whole lot better. And one of my intentions this year is to stop overspending. And so for these projects now around the house, I'm going to be taking what I have, using what I have in my home, and just upcycling it, switching it around to different rooms just to give it a fresh look. Last year, I was so heavy into buying vases. I have a vase addiction, y'all. I see a vase that catches my eye and I feel like I need to bring it home. So this year, I'm doing something different. I will not be buying a million vases. I am actually going to start selling off some of the vases that I have. And if I want something, then I will make a purchase from the monies that I make from selling off the products that I already have. But I did go ahead and give this lamp about 3 coats of paint, because initially when I started spraying it, I saw the brown peeking through some, and I actually kind of liked it. But then after I sat with it for a while, I was like, no, I need to make it darker so that it can blend better with the artwork. And this is what she was looking like after 3 coats of paint. Still a little wet, so I'm gonna leave that outside and let it dry. And I know y'all see my little messy patio in the background, but that's all right. I got a video coming up for that. So stay tuned. We're going to get this patio together for the summer so we can sit back, relax, and enjoy ourselves out here. Now, working on that little section of the living room just made me want to change out a few other things. And y'all know how it go. Once you start working on one thing, you see other things that could be spruced up or changed out a little bit. I didn't do much to the coffee table because I like to keep it low profile, because we do spend a lot of time on the sofa watching TV and I don't want things to obstruct our view. But I found that cute little box at Home Goods. I think it was $14.99, and I just got it to corral our remotes, just to keep them from being spread out all over the table. And I thought that box was so cute. And I just added the coasters back to the table with the decor that was already there, and I like the way it turned out. Now, y'all ignore that denim stain on the sofa right there. Somebody sat on the sofa with some jeans with a lot of dye in them, and it has dyed onto my sofa. but I did pick up some of the fabric cleaner from Rooms to Go, and so I'm going to be working on that, and hopefully it gets it out. But anywho, no better time than the present than to change out the throw pillows on the sofa just to freshen up the space a little bit. Moving into the kitchen area, the kitchen is usually pretty simple. We utilize this counter space for cooking, so I don't like to clutter up the counter spaces. We usually just keep the blender out on the counter because my husband does make smoothies daily. I keep the dog treats, and I have a cute little mortar and pestle. On the other side is just a little small area that we use as a coffee bar, the stove, of course, and opposite the stove is the crock where I keep my utensils, my olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little cute basket with onions. Prime example of using what you have on hand. This used to be an olive oil dispenser and the top portion of it broke. So I'm just going to use this to add in a little stem that I've been had around laying around the house. I just added that to the coffee station just to give it a little pop of summer. Now, I told y'all the oil dispenser broken, so I had to replace it. I found this one at Home Goods for $5.99. I'm just going to give it a good clean, and then I can transfer my oil into it. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me. Now, I don't know about y'all, but something about Baby's Breath screams summer to me. I absolutely love Baby's Breath. Now, I will use them all year round, but for some reason, they make me feel like summer is here. And so I'm just going to be adding those Baby Breath in with those faux eucalyptus plants right there in that vase. It just gave it such a delicate look. I love it. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say
Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now.
Well, friends, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share the video. It would really help my channel out. And guess what? It's free 99. And y'all come on back. Stay tuned because there's more videos coming up. I will be redecorating the patio for the summer. So look out for that video. Quick update. I was able to get that denim dye off of the sofa using a homemade solution. But for now, bye friends.